Sounds like those triple digits are here to stay. Thank you, Justin. Well, it's Financial Focus time. The good news is we have Steve Buden, our financial analyst, here for it. Thank you for joining us again, Steve.
Very welcome.
Let's start off with a big announcement from Google.
Yeah. So as the politicians are talking about these trade wars, especially with China, Google and JD.com, which is a big internet provider in China, have struck a deal. And I bring this up, it just shows that the private markets continue to function even though the leaders are going back and forth with these potential trade wars. Google's investing $500 million over there. So, you know, the stakes are pretty high.
Okay. All right. And good news for our Southern Nevada economy right now. Things are looking good as of, I feel like there should be something I can knock on just to be on the safe side. Yes.
Yeah, reading some reports this past weekend, Southern Nevada's economy, I think we're all seeing it, is doing real well. Drive up and down I-15, the construction industry is doing great, the restaurants are crowded, lots of construction jobs, homes are selling. Now, the one caution I bring up with this is, you know, economies go in cycles, and anybody who's lived here 10 years ago knows what happened when the cycle hit bottom. There was a lot of arrogance locally that Vegas was insulated from the international and national economies, and I caution everybody to think that we're not. Right? So if there's a recession that's going to come at some point, Vegas won't be insulated.
And people are saying the recession could possibly come sooner rather than later.
Yeah, there's all types of estimates, 2019, 2020. The reality is nobody knows, so it's always good to kind of protect yourself a little bit. But as of today, the Southern Nevada economy is really doing well. So
it's great news.
Good news, yes.
But surprisingly, some bad news when it comes to all of our friends in the hospitality and restaurant industry.
Yes, I bring this up for the local viewers. A survey was conducted over the weekend showing who the worst tippers are. And of course, every generation has its own name. The baby boomers, Generation X, the best generation. The millennials are defined as those between age 20 and 38. And maybe not, it comes as no surprise. Those have gone down as the worst tippers.
I don't understand how that can possibly be the case. None of these people ever served tables?
I know, and it's funny because I'm a big tipper because I used to be a service worker, right? Same
me
with
too,
you, right?
Yes.
So you'd think that anybody who has worked their way through school or whatever, usually, you know, you're in the service industry, the millennials tend to be the worst tippers. And even with those new purchase systems where you go into a store and you could click on the tip on the iPad or whatever that thing is, they're choosing the worst box. So whether it's 10% of them leave no tip. So I feel bad for the local service workers, yeah. 10% leave no tip.
Everybody should have to serve tables or work in the hospitality industry at least for a couple of months so you understand how appreciative you should be of all those folks.
The best life lessons are those who have served tables.
20%.
Try serving tables, yes.
At least.
At least 20%.
At least, folks. All right. Thank you, Steve. We'll be right back.